Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of resetting your Polaroid TV, both with and without a remote control. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or just want to start fresh, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Resetting with a remote. If you have the remote handy, here's how you can reset your Polaroid TV. Locate the menu button on your remote control. Navigate to the Settings or Setup menu using the arrow keys. Look for an option like System or Reset. Select Reset and confirm your choice. Your TV will restart and reset to its factory settings. Method 2. Resetting without the remote. No remote? No problem. You can still reset your Polaroid TV directly from the TV's control panel. Find the physical buttons on your TV. Look for a combination that includes a menu and volume and channel buttons. Press and hold these buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the TV screen goes blank or displays a message indicating it's resetting. Wait for the TV to restart, and it should be reset to its original settings. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Polaroid TV is straightforward whether you have the remote or not. Remember, this process can help resolve various issues and give your TV a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.